So I have three things to show, and I've been using Storytell to give me some smart brevity about my content. So um, let's talk about Kubernetes again. Kubernetes is fun, right? It's a hard thing to explain, so I asked Storytell to give me uh, ec- like I'm five explanation about what it is. So let's try to review this quickly. So told me that imagine that you have a whole bunch of Lego robots that need to do different jobs like stocking blocks, moving blocks, and counting blocks. So Kubernetes is like a super smart Lego manager. It's responsible for handling all of these tasks. Each Lego robot is a pod. Pod is a terminology in Kubernetes which holds all the tasks that this robot needs to do. And the jobs, like stack blocks, are called applications, and Kubernetes helps the robots to do their job. So, for example, a quick examples that we can translate here. So, if one robot breaks down during that operation, the block stacking stops, right? So Kubernetes is smart enough to replace that broken job with a new one, so we don't stop the line. Another quick case here is that if there isn't any robot enough to stock all the blocks quickly, Kubernetes can make more robots and make the work happen faster. So this is just a couple of examples that we can translate from what Kubernetes is doing this for us. So I asked Storytell to try to explain based on a little context that I gave to him about how Kubernetes is important and what happened for us in production. Because this week we migrated our production workload, which is solving all these kinds of problems here. So now our file processing service is faster and more reliable. So I'm going to show you some of the metrics that we have here. So Kubernetes now, whenever there is more jobs to be processing, as you can see on those lines here, it's adding more robots here to process those files. So if we have a huge query or something to be processed, we are going to have more robots whenever it's needed to process them. Um, Other things that, so what it matters because we don't have longer waits, right? Files are processed faster. Um, um, all right, next up.